Raja. Is it fun? You know, during those 15 years of corporate life, every day I'll go home. You know, the first thing I do? I switch on an Ilayaraja song. Not even 10 seconds have finished. Just the Alapana has finished. I'll be at peace, man. I'll be so happy. I'll find my inner happiness, that inner silence, that inner calmness. Amazing, right? That is the power and beauty of Ilayaraja, don't you think? He helps you find your inner peace, that inner silence, that inner calmness. His songs themselves will have a lot of this pause and silence and calmness and all that inside the song itself. Have you observed that? Sometimes the pause will be a little too long. But hey, that's where the beauty is, man. Who else but Mastro made a song about silence? He did a song about silence, the song of silence. You know which one I'm talking about? மௌனமான நேரம் இது மௌனமான நேரம், இடமனதில் என்ன பாரம், மனதில் ஓசைகள், இதழில் மௌனங்கள், மனதில் ஓசைகள், இதழில் மௌனங்கள், ஏனென்று கேளுங்கள். டுட்டூருட்டு டுட்டூருட்டு டுட்டூருட்டு. இது மௌனமான நேரம், இளமனதில் என்ன பாரம். Such a beauty, right? Such a beautiful song, don't you think? Such beauties don't come anymore, yeah. Such beauties don't come anymore. Even this beautiful song, we can't listen like this anymore. When they play this on the FM radio here, the moment this song comes on the FM radio, if I am driving, I'll slow down. In fact, I'll pull over, I'll stop the vehicle, I'll want to listen to the full song, then proceed. But on the FM radio, they speed up the song, yeah. The song gets faster, at least like 20-30%. And they have removed all the silence, pause and everything, yeah. For whatever reason, the song will sound like this. மௌனமான நேரம், இளமனதில் என்ன பாரம், ஓசைகள் மௌனங்கள் கேளுங்கள். டே 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 என்னடா? என்னடா இருக்குதுயா? What is happening? சாங் இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கவே இல்லடா. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. அப்படி என்ன அவசரம்? சாங் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போதே ஒரு பயங்கர அவசரம். அடுத்து வந்து சலங்க விளையில இடையில இப்போ என்னடா பிரச்சனைங்க? நீ பேசும்போது உனக்கு எதுக்கு திங்சிக்கு நீ ட்ரெட்மில்ல ஓடிக்கிட்டே பேசுறியா நீ? Life has gotten faster. We don't have time for the slow pace songs and all, man, anymore. And Vidyasagar made wonderful, amazing masterpieces like that, don't you think? Vidyasagar fans, yeah, go for it, yeah. Of course, man. Amazing, beautiful songs. One of those masterpieces, this one, Malari. What an awesome piece. Between Malare and the next word, ஒரு 4 beat gap இருக்குங்க. Nobody has patience for that, yeah. யாருக்குமே பொறுமை கிடையாது. Nobody has patience. I sang this on stage once, okay? I started the song. Malare. People thought I got stuck. From one side, my friends are prompting me. அச்சா, மௌனமா. தெரியும்டா, பீட் வெயிட் பண்றோம். பிரசாம மௌனமா இருக்கடா. மௌனமா. மௌனமே மே. மௌனமே. வேகமா, கொஞ்சம் வேகமா. வேதமா. After that, I didn't have a choice, yeah. The moment I give a pause, everybody is trying to fill in from all over. So I had to fill in the blanks myself. I was like, மலர்கள் பேசுமோ பேசினால் ஓயுமோ அன்பே மலரே. I had to sing the background music and all. Malare dodoran time maunama dodododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododododo to enjoy life, to experience Wonderland and all. And another amazing aspect we should celebrate in Mastro's music, of course, every aspect of Mastro's music is celebratable. I mean, if there is a word like that, we should celebrate. This one, chorus section, don't you think? Every composition, every song will have this amazing chorus section. Even if you're listening to that song for the 1000th time, when that portion comes, it will feel so fresh, man. Have you experienced that? It will feel so fresh. It will feel like something is coming from somewhere, just filling your heart, filled with joy. It's just lifting your soul somewhere. Have you experienced that? You listen carefully, the composition is just out of the world. Of course, it's Mastro. But you listen carefully, you can see the chorus singers are singing with lot of frustration there. அந்த அவங்க குரல்ல வந்து ஒரு கிளியரா ஒரு கோபம், ஒரு ஆங்கர், ஒரு ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேஷன், ஒரு விரக்தி is clearly there. That is because they all joined Ilayaraja's chorus team like 40-50 years ago, man. During Annakli times they joined, yeah. அன்னுக்கிலிருந்து இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் நீங்க கோரஸே பாடின்னு உட்கார்ந்துருந்தா உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேஷன் வருமா வராதா? Because times have now changed. They are humans at the end of the day, and times have now changed. Rahman is ruling the industry for the past 25 years. You join Rahman, yeah. Applause for Rahman, yeah. Go for it. Don't hate him. Times have changed, yeah. You join Rahman's chorus team. One fine day you will get a break. Out of nowhere he'll tell you, I think I like your voice for this part. Yeah, you in the back. I just heard you. Yeah, I just heard your voice. Let's try it out for this song. You've been here for 5 years, sir. I'm so sorry, but I've been just engrossed with work. Let's try it out. Out of nowhere, you get a break like that, you get a song. Not even one song, yeah, one humming in one song. That's all you have to sing. He will still put your name in the CD label. Everybody will know who you are. Right? He will do that. And he will take you on a world tour just to sing that. Good job, you're done for the day, thank you. And when you come back from your first world tour, even if you don't get to sing another song, you can become Airtel Super Singer judge or something. Your life is set, y'all. Your life is set, y'all. Life is set. Your life is set. That is the power of A.R. Rahman. But with Mastro, you join as a chorus singer. That's it, man. You remember that Pudu Pudu Arthangal, that opening song? You remember? The camera will just move all over the recording theater. Finally, it will stop near that glass door. You remember? Behind the glass door, bunch of young girls were standing and singing chorus. You recall? They are still there, man. Still there, man. Still. That frustration is understandable. They are humans at the end of the day. Unfortunately, that comes out so obviously in so many songs, man. For example, this masterpiece sung by Mano. மலைக்கோயில் வாசலில் கார்த்திகை தீபம் மின்னுதே, விளக்கேற்றும் வேளையில் ஆனந்த கானம் சொல்லுதே. Now chorus. Cut. Mastro is like, what is happening in the chorus booth, ma? I gave you the music sheet at 9 o'clock this morning. The notes are correct, ma. ஒரு பாவம் இல்ல, ஒரு feelings இல்ல, ஒரு கடிச்சு துப்பிட்டு உட்கார்ந்திருக்கீங்க. This is a romantic melody song. I want some bhavam, I want some feelings. என்ன சார் பாவம் feelings?